Hi guys, today the purpose of my video is going to be the hitch rack, cargo rack that I have on my vehicle. So I guess some of you have the same rack or could be different. This one is foldable so you can see, and the purpose is, please take a look, this one, the entire rack is just moving around. Look at this. There you go. So when you guys load the rack is hanging on one side or the other. So what I did, let me show you here. This is what I did. This is a little spacer that goes between the frame and the cargo rack. Okay, nothing special. I made this one from square pipe. I believe it's around 1.5 by 1.5 inch, something like this. So now I'm going to attach this one and I will show you how this is going to eliminate this problem. But before I go in this direction, here I want to show you something else. I'm gonna fold the rack. You can see how this thing is moving. Look at this. Okay. And when I fold the rack, it's going way too closer to the bumper. Okay. It's touching the bumper. You can see just moves around. Look at this. So when I'm driving, this can scratch my paint very easy. So let me get the spacer there and I'll show you the results. So this is the spacer, goes like this, and you can see here is the hole is matching. Okay, now I'm going to get the cargo rack there. I have the spacer here. You can see the spacer, and I'll try to move the rack. That's it. It doesn't move that much. It's much stable. Okay. Here I'm gonna take down this, and I'm going to lift the rack. See? It moves, but not that much. But the rack is still very close to the bumper. Here is what I did to eliminate this one. I got one of these L-shape metal part. So I'm gonna go right over here. Look at this. This is a spacer. Now I have so much room. I can get my finger there. See? It's not that close to the bumper anymore. I have plenty of space, around inch. So I don't have to worry for scratching my bumper or damaging something. See? Now it's much better. It still moves, but not that much. It's way better. And of course, okay. When you unfold the rack, take this spacer away. Okay, go all the way down. And there you go. Now I'm ready to load my cargo rack. I have a pictures showing that I have a bikes loaded on this rack. By the way, I have a ATV loaded on this rack. I'll share some pictures. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I'm sure you're gonna find something interesting in all these videos. I wish good luck to all of you guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.